Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MateView. In this video I'll show you how to assemble stand with the monitor. In the beginning, take a look at the stand right here. Here we've got these 3 hooks we have to place in this part here. Also, at the bottom of the stand we've got this quick release button. Firstly, aim the hooks inside here and then push it in. Now you can freely remove the monitor from the casing. In order to remove the stand, push this button here upwards and now you can lift it up. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.